It's going to be a little bit like our loops and groups game. Now we have 2 die. I'm going to roll the first one to tell me, well, yes? I'm going to roll the first one to tell me how many rows are in my array, and I'm going to roll the second one to tell me how many columns. Now, can you tell me if rows go up or down, or side to side?
Side to side. Side to side.
Rows go side to side, and our columns go up and down. So, we are going to play teacher versus students. So if students win, you guys all get an OtterBuck.
If teacher wins, no OtterBucks.
No OtterBucks. All right, I'm going to roll the first die.
If you win, we all have to give you OtterBucks.
No, that's not how it works.
We only have to give you one.
All right, I'm going to roll the first die to tell me how many rows I have. So it told me 6. So I'm going to need 6 rows. So I'm going to count up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to find out how many columns I need. 5. All right. Everybody should be in their same spot.
Rows to the side.
Columns this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I have my first array, and I need an equation. Somebody raise their hand if they can help me figure out my equation. Thomas?
6 by 5.
Why do you say 6 by 5?
Because it was 6 plus times 5. So it was
6 groups of 5. What does that equal? We all know how to count by 5s. Adrian,
30.
how did you figure that out?
Because I know 2 5s equals 10, 2 more equals 20, and 2 more would equal 30, and that would be 6 5s.
Very nice. All right, students' turn. Barrett, can you roll the first one for us? Nevaeh, can you roll the second?
You can do it.
All right, so we're going to go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Look at that.
So Connor said that that's the columns, because columns do go up and down. But what I'm counting is I have 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, 4 rows, 5 rows. Does that make sense? All right. Nevaeh, can you roll our second to tell us how many columns? 2? All right. 1, 2. All right. Who can help us with our equation for this array? Adam? 5 times 2. Where'd you come up with that?
It has 2 columns and 5 rows.
2 columns and 5 rows. Cameron, what's our answer for the equation?
10.
10.
Basically, you're winning right now.
Okay.
Yes.
Where's the?
All right.
Right there.
We're not quite. There we go. We're going to scroll down to our next turn. Can I have those dice back, please? Thank you. All right. Teacher turn again. First one, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Second one, 1. All right. Chantel, can you give me my equation? Why do you say 2 times 2? So you see 2 blocks on the bottom and 2 blocks on the top. We want to write a multiplication equation that uses our number of rows and our number of columns. So you remember how many rows I had? Rows go side to side. So I rolled a 4 for my rows, so I can put that first. How many columns do I have?
4.
I have 4 rows. How many columns? So I have 4 rows and I have 1 column. So when I rolled my dice the first time, I got a 4. And when I rolled my dice the second time, I got a 1. Who can help us figure out what the answer to our equation might be? Stevie? 4. 4 times 1 equals 4. All right. Oops. Who can help us out? Lily S. and Abby Eames. Lily, can you go first? Tell us how many rows we have. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Abby, how many columns? Whoa. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, we're gonna win.
Yeah,
All right, hold on. How many? Sorry, not how many. What is our multiplication equation? Abby N? Where'd you come up with 4 times 6?
It's a tie game.
You need to go again.
4 columns and 6 rows. So who can tell me what 4 times 6 equals? Oh wait, did we do that one backwards, Abby? We have 4 rows and 6 columns, right?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
46.
All right, Naya, what's our answer?
24.
24.
We're winning. Wait, no.
All right, we have one more round first
Why'd you do that?
because I had to scroll down. It's still up there, it's okay. All right, can I have the dice? Thank you. My first roll, 1. I have 1 row.
Oh, geez, that's sad.
What if it was
My second row, 1. All right,
I knew it was gonna be 1.
Nevaeh, can you help me with my multiplication equation?
thought it would always be 5.
So Nevaeh told us 1 times 1
Well, everything you
is my equation. Derek, what's the answer to my equation? 1. All right. Adrian, can you roll our first one? Lily A, can you roll our second?
Can I say something? We have
Hold on.
1 row.
Adrian gave us 1 row.
Oh, jeez.
Lily A,
4.
4. All right, hold on. Who can give us our multiplication equation? Connor F. 1 times 4. Who can give me an answer? Lily? 4.
I didn't think you added 1. It's going to be
All right. We are going to scroll back up.
It's 30.
I'm going to write our products over here so we don't forget them. So on my side, I have 1 and I have 4. Oh, that's not a good color for that. Let's try that again. All right, on my side, I have 1 and I have 4.
I'm still not getting color.
Abby N, what do you have on your side? You have 24 and 4. We're going to scroll back up to see our last number on the top. My first number was 30. Your first number was 10. All right. Connor C, can you help me add my numbers? 1 plus 4,
Oh, it's 35.
35.
No, it's a tie. It's a tie.
I'm waiting for everyone to be silent. So I had 1 plus 4 equals 5, plus 30 equals 35. Who can help me add your numbers? Charlotte?
Equals 35 because 24 plus 10 equals 34, and then plus 1 equals 35. Wait, you never got it. It's a tie.
No, when you wrote your numbers, it should have been a 4 instead of a 1.
Yeah.
This one should have been a 4?
Yeah, it's
Okay, let's fix it then.
it would equal.
Charlotte, let's try it again. Charlotte, it was 38 for you guys.
We win.
to your seats for social studies. I will give you all an otter book.